Um, First of all, uh, good evening, everyone. I'm very, very happy to be back in Bangalore. This has become a routine ritual for me before every film to come here and say, greet the Bangalore press and media and friends here. So, the same way, uh, I'm here for Saripoda Senivaram, Surya's Saturday. Actually, 3 days before I was supposed to be here, but something emergency came up, in Hyderabad, and then I had to cancel the trip to Bangalore. But it has been bothering me since that day. We thought too close to the release, and so much work was going on. So I thought I'll miss it this time, but somehow I thought if I don't come to Bangalore, it will not be a full circle of this whole promotion tour and all that, and I'll feel very, very incomplete if I don't make it here. So I'm very, very happy to be here. I know day after is the release, tomorrow night is the premieres, US premieres and all. So it's the last moment, but I still had to do this. I had to be here and I had to greet you all. So one more time, thank you so much for all the love. I think after the Telugu states and US, I think all the films have done so well in Bangalore. That just shows that there's so much of love here, and I am extremely humbled and I'm full of gratitude for all the love. And I'm super sure this 29th with Surya Saturday, I think our bond will grow stronger, and I'm very, very confident. So 29th it is releasing, and I really hope. I do have a lot of friends here in Bangalore, and so every time I come here, I'm coming here for work, for promotions and all. I am happy, but every time they say you should come here, meet up, catch up, and all that, then I don't get the time to. So I'm just hoping after the success of this film, after the release of this film, I will be hopefully coming to Bangalore to actually celebrate, actually to have a good time, not for the promotions, and I'm looking forward to that. And I really hope all the audience will watch the film in Kannada, and Telugu population here who watch Telugu films will watch Saripoda Senivaram and make it a huge success in Bangalore. And I'm confident the content of the film will give you all the reasons to make this a big hit and to come back again and again to the theater. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you. And also we all are grateful for the love which you have towards our Kannadigas. So ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಇನ್ವೈಟ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು ಕನ್ನಡಿಗರನ್ನ. I'll teach you how to call them. Before that, if you have ನಿಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆಗಳಿದ್ರೆ ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಮೀಡಿಯಾದವರು ಕೇಳಬೇಕು. Please be seated. Yes. ಸೊ ಮಾಧ್ಯಮದವರು ಏನಾದರೂ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ಕೇಳಕ್ಕಿದ್ರೆ ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಕೇಳಬಹುದು.
Hi, Nani sir. This is Harshavardhan from Vijayawani newspaper.
Hi, Harshavardhan.
My question is, ದಸರಾ ಮತ್ತೆ ಹಾಯ್ನಾನ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಈಗ ಸರಿಪೋದ ಶನಿವಾರಂ ಎಲ್ಲ ಈ ಮೂರು ಸಿನಿಮಾಗಳು ಪ್ಯಾನ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ ಹೋಗೋದಿಕ್ಕೆ ಏನ್ ರೀಸನ್ ಅಂತ, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕಾಂಟೆಂಟ್ ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ ಅಥವಾ ದಸರಾ ಪ್ಯಾನ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ ಹೋಗಿ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಸಕ್ಸಸ್ ಆಯ್ತು ಅಂತ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಟು ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಈ ರೀತಿ ಇದೆ?
No sir, actually pan India is the wrong word, because I'm not releasing if you actually see the Kannada version or Malayalam version or Hindi version, if you see the number of theaters or how we promote the film, it is not to make it market wise big numbers or anything. I have been noticing there is a lot of love from Kannadigas when it comes on OTT, or and all the 4 languages are trending in the when it comes in Netflix or Amazon. So that means all the audience are loving the film. So I wanted a very good quality film available in theaters for all those audience, and just not to add to the numbers, not to make it like a pan India film, but to make it available to the Kannadigas who wants to watch that film in Kannada, who are waiting. So I'm making the same thing, making it sure with the Malayalam audience, making it sure with the Hindi audience for this film. And if I'm making an epic kind of a film, or sci-fi or fiction kind of, see, this is a mainstream action film, solid proper commercial film in its own unique way. So I'm just trying to make it reach out to all the audience who wants to watch it. I'm not really projecting it as a pan-India film or, like saying it's a big spectacle, you should come to the theater. No, I know there are audience for this, and I want them to see a very good quality product in the theater, and that's how I'm pushing it. And I think it just we kept doing this since Shyam Singh Roy, Anti Sundaraniki, and then Hai Nana, Dasara, and this one, and it will follow from here on for every film. It is now there won't be any difference with film. This one is only going to release in Telugu, this one is going to release in other language. No, from here onwards, every film of mine will release in Kannada and Malayalam and Tamil and Hindi. So, and depends on the span and idea of the film, the release size will be. So depending on that only, everything else matters. So that's the plan. Yeah.
ಬ್ಯಾಂಗ್ಳೂರ್ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರೆ, ಇಂಡಸ್ಟ್ರಿ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸಾ ಅಥವಾ ಹೊರಗಿನವರ?
Industry friends. Yeah, a lot of industry friends. And all. Of course, there is Sudeep Anna is there, and then now Prashant is a good friend, and Rakshit is a good friend, and our Raj B. Shetty is a good friend. So there are a lot of them, definitely. So I would love to catch up with all of them, but it's always, I come here for promotions and then I'm running around from one thing to the other thing and then catch the flight back. So this time I really want to come here and, relax and chill with the friends.
Thank you.
ಹಾಯ್ ಸರ್.
Hi.
ಅಂಟೆ ಸುಂದರನಿಕೆ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಮತ್ತೊಂದ್ಸಲ ಕೊಲಾಬ್ರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ ವಿವೇಕ್ ಆತ್ರೆ ಅವ್ರ ಜೊತೆಗೆ. ಇಟ್ ವಾಸ್ ಮೋರ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಕಾಂಟೆಂಟ್ ಬೇಸ್ಡ್ ಸಿನಿಮಾ ಆಗಿತ್ತು, ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ಯೂರ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಕಮರ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಎಂಟರ್ಟೈನರ್ ತರ ಇದೆ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾಕೆ, ವಾಟ್ ಮೇಡ್ ಯು ಟು ಲೈಕ್ ಡೂ ಅ ಕಮರ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಫಿಲ್ಮ್ ಟುಗೆದರ್ ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ?
So first clarity is that I genuinely believe that commercial film also should have content, and it's not that Ante Sundaraniki is a content film and this is just action film. This is a content driven action film. So that's also a content film, this is also a content film, but the genre of that content is a family drama, and genre of this content is action. It's just genre shift, but the content is there in both the film. And I know for sure Vivek Katre is a filmmaker who always will deliver great content, and with him I'm trying a different genre. That's also I think Ante Sundaraniki is one of the special films in my career. I wanted to work with Vivek, and I wanted to work something away from what we have done already. So Saripoda Shanivaram was perfect continuation. Is there any question? That's it.
ಸರ್, ಈಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ದಾರ ಒಂಥರ ಆಟಿಟ್ಯೂಡ್ ತೋರಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ದಾರ ಹಾಕೊಂಡು. ಸೊ ಅದು ಇವಾಗ ವಸ್ತ್ರ ಹಾಕೊಂಡು ಇದು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ, ಸೊ ಅದೇನು ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತಾ ಅಂತ? ಈಗ ಅದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ತುಂಬಾ ಜನ ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ.
Nothing to do with Iga. We did different things. In this set is the cloth. The cloth has a very strong emotional reason, and you'll just watch the film day after. You'll know the backstory of it, but it is very nicely put into the film, and I think there are a lot of adrenaline moments in the film, which this one is also a reason for that. Yeah.
The movie will come to Bangalore and all. So when you reach the success and
100%. That's what I'm saying. By the time, every time I'm shooting, I'm going back and shooting. I want to take a break this time. First, you do it, make it a blockbuster, then I'll come immediately. Definitely. Which one? My films? Yeah, all that. That's what I've started my speech with, complaining that by the time we take a break for promotions, and by the time film releases, we start shooting for the next film. I want a break. I want to come here, celebrate with you guys, catch up with friends, chill, relax. I want to do that. I'm really looking forward to do that. Yes, why not? Definitely. I want to catch up with all of you. Now that you said it, I think it's a good lead to do that. Yeah.
Nani sir, actually, congratulations on winning Filmfare Award for
Thank
Dasara.
you. Thank you.
So, like film awards ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ basically opinion ಏನು?
Awards are good when you get the reward also. Like when the film is a big hit, when there are collections and all. See, that's the ultimate thing. End of the day, that means audience loved it, and audience loving a film is the biggest award. And definitely, a lot of times, you know, awards kind of reinstate one joy in you. And after a year or something, you know, so generally what happens is, if a film which we did now will win the award next year, 1 year later, right? So 1 year later, it's almost like a reunion of that film and that vibe. So it's a very good feeling. But the most important thing, end of the day, is who we work for. We work for audience, and if they love the film, I think it's the greatest award you can get.
ಸರ್ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಇಯರ್ ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ನ್ಯಾಷನಲ್ ಅವಾರ್ಡ್ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಆಕ್ಟರ್ ಮೇಲ್ ವೆಂಟ್ ಫಾರ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಅಲ್ಲು ಅರ್ಜುನ್, ಪುಷ್ಪಾಗೆ. ಈ ಸಲ ರಿಷಬ್ ಶೆಟ್ಟಿ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಬಂದಿದೆ. ಸೊ ಈ ಒಂದು
I think it was like an obvious thing. There was no surprise in it at all. It was not like, oh, Rishabh won, oh, congratulations. It was not like that. It was like, oh, obviously Rishabh will win. Yeah, there is not even like a discussion about that. So it's like, congratulations to the entire, I think, Kannada industry and to the audience, that because it's a great moment. It's a moment of pride. And it was obvious choice also. It's like, it's just not, now Kantara is also just not Kannada film. We all owned it. It is in Telugu states, it's a Telugu film. In Hindi, it is a Hindi film. Everybody owned the film. So everyone is, I think, equally proud of the achievement the team, you know, got, and Rishabh got. Yeah.
ಸೊ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಸಿನಿಮಾ ಥರ್ಸ್ಡೇ ರಿಲೀಸ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಸಾಟರ್ಡೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಕೋಪ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಯಾಕೆ? ವೈ ನಾಟ್ ಫ್ರೈಡೆ?
I'll tell you what. So I think I'm slowly tilting towards the Thursday releases. My Hainana released Thursday. My Dasra released Thursday. I know the Friday is like a quintessential thing, but I really hope the entire industry shifts to Thursday, because Friday is about the number game, the opening game. It's about competition to see that what you put big numbers and all. But I genuinely feel we should start, you know, releasing films on Thursday. Why? Because that'll see, good films will have a great advantage if you release on Thursday, because the word of mouth, the talk, is going to give you 1 day extra in the weekend. See, day one always will be good because it's the opening day, and if that happens on Thursday, that means Friday, Saturday, Sunday, your weekend is a long weekend every single time. I think it will help all the films when they are confident about the film. If I understand, if you're a little, you don't know, you're a little scared about it, maybe it's better to come Friday or something, because weekend, holidays, you can make the most of it. But if you're confident about your film, don't wait. Come Thursday, so that it'll be a 4 days bombastic, you know, weekends, because the word of mouth will spread like wildfire, and then you get an extra day for the weekend. It'll work very well. So we thought Saripoda Shanivaram also just shows that we are very confident. Yeah. Oh, hopefully you have to confirm it by day after. Yeah.
Sir.
Yeah.
Here, Manjunath Srinivas from Vistara News. ನಾನು ಸಾಂಗ್ ನೋಡ್ತಿರ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಪೊಲೀಸ್ಗೆ ಡವ್ ಹೊಡಿತಾ ಇದ್ರಿ. ಸೊ ರಿಯಲ್ ಲೈಫಲ್ಲಿ ಬಿಫೋರ್ ಮ್ಯಾರೇಜ್ ಆಗೋದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಮೊದಲು ನೀವೇನಾದ್ರೂ ಯಾರಿಗಾದ್ರೂ ರಿಯಲ್ ಪೊಲೀಸ್ ಡವ್ ಹೊಡೆದಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಅಂತ?
Does it connect it to real life?
అంటే అర్థమైంది అనుకుంటా.
Why before marriage only?
అంటే ఇప్పుడు మ్యారేజ్ అయింది కదా, మళ్ళీ ఇంటికి వెళ్తే వాళ్ళు చూసుకుంటారని చెప్పేసి.
అదే అందుకంటున్నారు. కరెక్ట్, అది పాయింట్. సో ఏదైనా ఒక పోలీస్ తో డిడ్ ఐ హ్యావ్ ఎనీ సిచ్యువేషన్ లైక్ దిస్? వాట్ ఇస్ దట్ క్వశ్చన్? సారీ,
నేను అడగంటే
same thing.
That there was any interaction with a cop like that?
Yeah, before marriage, he's asking, is it related to your real life or what? Did you did the same thing or what?
That
అంటే నేను ఏం చెప్పానంటే,
Before the marriage.
సాంగ్ లో పోలీస్ కి లైన్ వేస్తున్నారు కదా, బిఫోర్ మ్యారేజ్ రియల్ లైఫ్ లో ఎప్పుడైనా పోలీస్ కి ట్రై చేశారా అంటే?
అది అంటున్నారా? నేను ఐ థాట్ యూఆర్ ఆస్కింగ్ అబౌట్ దయా విలన్. Then he said, I would have given some answer, it would have went viral. Thank God I clarified this. Okay, I'm thinking why. That's why I'm asking, why not after marriage? After marriage also you can encounter a bad cop. No, I'm not thinking about the heroine. I'm thinking about the villain. Oh, thank God I asked this. Otherwise I would have given an answer.
We also got confused. You said why not after
someone
marriage?
I would have said, and then it would have gone viral. No, yeah, I understood now. No. Definitely no.
అంటే ఇంట్లో చూస్తున్నానంటే ఏమని చెప్పట్లేదా?
Correct, you can think like that also. No problem.
Okay, thank you and all the best.
Thank you.
ಸರ್, ಸಾಂಗ್ ಲೈನ್ ಬರ್ತಿರ್ಬೇಕಿದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ಮಾತು ನಿಮ್ಮದು ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಅಂದರೆ ನರಕ ಚತುರ್ದಶಿ ಯಾವಾಗ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಕೃಷ್ಣ ಮತ್ತು ಸತ್ಯಭಾಮ ಸೇರಿಕೊಂಡು ನರಕಾಸುರನನ್ನು ವಧೆ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಅಂತ. ಅದೇ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಲೈನ, ಅಂದರೆ ನೀವು ಪ್ರಿಯಾಂಕಾ ಮೋಹನ್ ಸೇರಿಕೊಂಡು ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಸೂರ್ಯ ಅವ್ರನ್ನ ಇದು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ, ಜೊತೆಗೆ ದಸರಾ ಸಿನಿಮಾ ಕೂಡ ಅದೇ ಬೇಸ್ಡ್ ನರಕಾಸುರ. ಸೊ ಏನಿದು ಕನೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಂತ?
See, actually, we only have two kind of stories in the world. In the world, no matter what. Where one is Ramayana, one is Mahabharata. Ramayana kind of stories are where there will be one hero and everything will be about that hero. And Mahabharata kind of stories are there will be so many characters. It will be about everyone. Only these two only are the films. So yeah, Dasara and this one is about this Narkasura element is there, but a different world, different story, different line, different narrative, different screenplay. You will watch it here.
ಟ್ರೈಲರ್ ಲಾಸ್ಟಲ್ಲಿ ಪೋತಾರು ಮೊತ್ತಂ ಪೋತಾರು ಥಿಯೇಟರ್ ಕಾ ಅಂತ.
Yeah, correct. What do you say in the Kannada for that?
ಹೋಗ್ತೀರಾ ಎಲ್ರು ಹೋಗ್ತೀರಾ.
Okay.
ಹೋಗ್ತೀರಾ ಎಲ್ರು ಹೋಗ್ತೀರಾ ಥಿಯೇಟರ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತೀರಾ.
ಹೋಗ್ತೀರಾ ಎಲ್ರು ಹೋಗ್ತೀರಾ ಥಿಯೇಟರ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತೀರಾ. ರೈಟ್, ಪರ್ಫೆಕ್ಟ್.
ಶಿವತಾಂಡವಂ ಹೇಗಿರುತ್ತೆ?
From 29th it will begin. Yeah, you'll watch. Yeah.
ಇದು ಸಾಟರ್ಡೆ ಯಾಕೆ ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ರೆ
Why Saturday?
ತಿರುಪತಿ ತಿಮ್ಮಪ್ಪ ಆತರ ಏನಾದ್ರು?
No. That has a very good reasoning when the film begins. So basically, Surya has anger issues. So his mother tells him to pick one day when you want to show the anger, not every day, because anger is very precious and you have to use it wisely. Why Surya picks up Saturday is there's a very beautiful reasoning, and I don't want to reveal it here. You should watch it in the film. Yeah. Weekend Surya, you can call it. Yeah.
ಸೊ ನೀವು ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರನ್ನ ರೌಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ, ಮೈ ನೇಮ್ ರೌಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು
What's your name?
Mangala.
I'll write it in my book.
ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಕೋಪ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ
No,
ಬರಬೇಕು?
no anger on you. I won't write it in my book. Only if I'm angry, then I will write. It depends on all the questions. Rest of the questions, yeah. Otherwise, not writing the name.
In personal life, when you get angry, like what is the reason to get angry?
I get angry, and I actually don't get angry much, but the only time I get angry is when everybody is, when as a team, when we are working, when we are all giving 100%. If someone is not giving their 100%, and that is disturbing everybody's efforts, I get angry. It happens during shoots sometimes, but that also I don't react much. That happens very rare. I go listen to some music, I calm down and come back. That's all. Yeah.
అంటే సుందరానికి బాగుంది, ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ. ಬಟ್ ಏನಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡಷ್ಟು ರೀಚ್ ಆಗಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಸೊ ನೀವು ಯಾಕೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ವಿವೇಕ್ ಅಗ್ನಿ ಅವರು ಆತ್ರೇಯಗೆ ನೀವು ಚಾನ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ರಿ ಅಂತ? ಲೈಕ್
you said no, ಅನ್ಕುನಂತ ರೀಚ್ ಆಗలేదు. You said no, this time I want to go ಅನ್ಕುನಂತ beyond. Yeah, దానికి బ్యాలెన్స్ చేయడానికి. Yeah. Thank you so much
And
to
also,
all the
sir,
friends here and to all the Bangalore press. Thank you so much, guys. Thanks.
From this hotel staff, they were to give Kiran sir. Yes. 1 minute. Kalyan sir, please one for the photo, please. And also, sir, you have to ask. Yeah, that's right. Oh, yeah.
ಹರೀಶ್, ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸರ್ಗೆ ಒಂದು ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಇದೆ
ಸರ್. 1 ನಿಮಿಷ, ಇನ್ನು ಮೀಡಿಯಾದವರು ಒಂದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. 1 ನಿಮಿಷ. ಆಗಸ್ಟ್ 29ಕ್ಕೆ
ಆಗಸ್ಟ್ 29ಕ್ಕೆ
ಥಿಯೇಟರ್ಗೆ ಬನ್ನಿ.
ಥಿಯೇಟರ್ಗೆ ಬನ್ನಿ.
ಸೂರ್ಯ ಸ್ಯಾಟರ್ಡೇ ಸಿನಿಮಾ ನೋಡಿ
ಸಿನಿಮಾ ನೋಡಿ
ಹಾರೈಸಿ.
ಹಾರೈಸಿ.
ಎಸ್, ಸಿಂಪಲ್.
ಪರ್ಫೆಕ್ಟ್.